Hey guys, welcome to Kind Spirit Tech. Today we are going to start our exploration of Leaflet package with R programming language. And first of all, what is the purpose of Leaflet? With it you are going to get interactive maps that you are going to use in your data analytics projects. So basically, if you need to plot anything in regards of geolocations, Leaflet is way to go. And first thing that I'm showing you, it's RStudio GitHub IO Leaflet page that is strongly recommended for you to read through, because it contains all of necessary information for you to master this package. And now, first thing that you actually need to do is to install two packages, package Leaflet and HTML widgets. So if you don't have those two packages installed, please do so. And now I'm going to open my Sublime Text and I'm going to import these two libraries, Leaflet and library HTML widgets. And now what we have to do is to create our object with function Leaflet. But Leaflet object in this state have no actual purpose except to be used for additional layers. So in order to get some maps attached to this object, we are going to use first pipe operator. I'm going to explain exactly what this actually is. And now I'm going to add function add tiles. And now what I want to do, I want to add another pipe operator and another function set view. So what is this all about? First about pipe operator. What pipe operator does, it takes result from previous function and provides it as first argument to next function. So in this case, object of a leaflet, it's provided to add tiles function as first argument. And object that is a result of add tiles function, it's provided as first argument to set view function. And with these two functions, we actually have our maps. But in order to set our view, we are going to provide few more arguments. First, I want to set latitude on 44 degrees north and longitude on 21 degrees east. And I'm going to add zoom 5 times. I'm going to save this code, but if we run our code right now, we are not going to get anything because nothing is saved. And now I'm going to add one more function, save widget. And we are going to provide our map to it, then path to file where we want to save our data. So it's going to be temp HTML and another argument self-contained false. Now if I save this code and I run this code, you see that everything went well. And now I'm going to open my local directory. And this temp HTML, I'm going to open it with Firefox. Alright, so as I promised, we have our map over this coordinate. So this is over my hometown and with zoom level 5. And our data, it's saved to temp HTML. So guys, this is all for our first episode about Leaflet package with R programming language. If you like this content, please like, subscribe and see ya!